Hello pioneers! Today we bring you a comprehensive update on KYC and mainnet migration, covering the latest technical improvements, new authentication explorations, AI integrations, validator rewards progress, and the expanding scale of Pi's identity-verified blockchain. Let's begin. Pi has released a major technical update that allows millions of pioneers to complete their mainnet migration. Another update is also coming within the next few weeks that will unblock hundreds of thousands more pioneers so they can finally submit their KYC applications. At the same time, Pi will be introducing a beta testing phase palm print authentication feature designed to support additional liveness checks, strengthen account verification, and enhance overall security. Meanwhile, KYC Validator rewards distribution continues to make progress and remains on track for deployment by the end of March 2026. Together, these updates further strengthen Pi's two biggest advantages. First, the massive size of the Pi community, and second, the fully identity-verified mainnet blockchain. Overall, Pi has now reached 16 million mainnet migrated pioneers, positioning Pi as one of the world's largest identity-verified blockchains. Millions of pioneers unblocked for mainnet migration. Nearly 2.5 million pioneers who were previously blocked due to additional security and compliance checks in certain regions are now able to fully migrate to mainnet. For pioneers eligible under this update, if you are active in mining and you have completed the Mainnet Checklist, the system will automatically migrate your transferable balance. You may wonder why migrations and KYC are often unblocked in batches. Different groups of pioneers become stuck due to different corner cases, such as additional security and compliance requirements, evaluation of tentative KYC status, account security measures before migration, or other policy-related checks. Each of these situations requires custom technical solutions. Once a solution is completed and released, the group of pioneers affected by that specific issue is unblocked. That is why unblocking happens in waves rather than all at once. This approach ensures that as many genuine pioneers as possible are approved, while bad actors and policy violators are filtered out. Over 700,000 additional pioneers, soon able to submit KYC. Within the next few weeks, more than 700,000 previously ineligible pioneers will be able to submit KYC applications. While these applications are processed, the system will continue analyzing accounts to protect the integrity of mainnet migration at scale. Some of these newly unblocked applications may still require additional analysis before final KYC determination. If you were previously blocked, open the Pi app, check your KYC status, and submit your KYC. Pi will soon begin beta testing palm print authentication as an additional identity verification option. This method focuses on verifying human authenticity, while offering privacy advantages since it does not require showing a face. Palm prints may be used to support additional liveness checks, identity rechecks, account verification, and broader security flows. Possible future applications include account recovery, password resets, two-factor authentication, and other security-related use cases. The beta feature will first be released to a subset of pioneers and then further evaluated. Multiple new KYC liveness checks. For pioneers with tentative KYC status, multiple new liveness checks will begin appearing in the mining app. These checks will roll out progressively over the coming month, will appear directly after mining for convenience, will include new face angle checks, now also required for new KYC applicants, and will provide additional validation of the account holder's identity. These short checks help resolve tentative KYC status and unblock both KYC and migration. Important to note, the number of checks and timing between them will vary by person. Data collected from these checks assist the system in making final determinations. If you have tentative KYC, complete every liveness check. AI upgrades to Pi KYC. Pi's standard KYC has now integrated additional AI using the same underlying technology as Pi Fast Track KYC. This upgrade cuts the queue of applications waiting for human validators by 50%, makes KYC faster and more scalable, maintains high accuracy. Although Fast Track KYC allows new users to obtain a mainnet wallet and participate in the ecosystem, it does not itself enable mainnet migration. After months of observation, its technology has now been integrated into standard KYC, which does unblock mainnet migration. Further benefits of AI integration include resolving validator shortages in certain regions, unblocking migrations faster, reducing the amount of human validation needed, saving collective human resources, reducing sensitive information shown to validators. AI reviews are intentionally conservative. Any uncertain cases are still routed to human validators. Validators continue to have sufficient work, while saved human resources can be redirected to ecosystem utilities, human feedback for AI models, reinforcement training products, validator, rewards distribution, target Q1 2026, work on validator rewards. Distribution is ongoing and progressing. The first distribution requires analyzing hundreds of millions of validation tasks accumulated since 2021. Challenges include huge data volume, complex variations in task types and results, ensuring fairness of rewards, determining source of funds, scalable system architecture, calculation accuracy, secure distribution on mainnet design is finalized, implementation is complete, testing is underway. Target deployment remains by the end of March 2026. Updated network metrics. Here are the latest numbers. 17.5 million pioneers have fully passed KYC, 15.7 million pioneers have migrated to mainnet. There are still about 3 million tentatively KYC'd pioneers who can self-unblock by completing liveness checks. For pioneers who have fully passed KYC, complete the Mainnet Checklist set and confirm your mainnet wallet. Enable 2FA sign token receiving terms. These millions of verified pioneers form the foundation for secure network integrity, real utility development, Web3 applications, AI-based services,